Aviation records underpin just about everything that we do as an airline operator and as a maintenance organisation. This is a make or break issue. Without available records, we can't demonstrate live regulatory compliance to the national airworthiness authorities or to the leasing community.
FLYdocs also enables airlines to be able to automate their compliance processes. The system knows what documents are required and will prepare them digitally for submission. We also enable airlines to be able to automate their asset transfers. Our AI-powered software will be able to identify and retrieve the documents that are needed. It will also flag any discrepancies or missing documentation in the system.
FLYdocs is going to enable us to simplify and make more efficient the process of returning an aircraft and also finding out compliance queries when we get them from the national authorities or from lessors, etc.
The automation of FLYdocs is not only faster than the old system, it's also much safer. We utilise electronic signature with the partnership with FLYdocs that allows us to utilise that safe, secure data to do our redeliveries.